Okay, YouTubers, I noticed that there's a problem with these Honda Civic and the key getting stuck, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem and what's the problem exactly. So you want to remove your centerpiece here, and right here is the problem. So this switch right here is the problem. This connects to your key, and it's the reason why your key is not coming out. So you can fix this one or two ways. You can put a stick there like that, and then I'm gonna show you. See? Or if you remove the stick and you put it back in park, now see the key's not coming out. You can just tap this, your gear stick. Depends on how yours set, because it's just a little bit of a play needed for it to, if you just with the bounce, if you can look properly, you'll see it bouncing. You just bounce it, keep tapping it, and it will come out. Let me see if I can set this phone. And that's it. So that's your problem. Thanks for watching. Honda Civic 2008.